That's it. Oh, he's on.
Got him.
Got him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still on?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, there he is. Alrighty, got my fishing rod, got my spear. All I do now is wait for Hayden. Ooh, that could be him. Ooh, yeah. Oh, good morning guys, alright. What's going on? Back at it again, new episode. Me and Hayden, we've gone out to Geelong this morning and it's just beautiful. Don't know if you guys can actually see that, but look how beautiful it is out there. So today we're actually just winging it. Not actually got a plan, just gonna wing it, do whatever we can. We're gonna start off with a bit of a fish. Hopefully get in the water, have a bit of a play around with the spear guns. And yeah, hopefully produce some goods. Anyway, I'll see you around. Oh yeah.
I reckon we'll grab a couple of pinkies, a couple of bags of pippies, large pippies. Yeah, we'll grab two.
Anything else or is that it, you reckon? Should be it.
Yeah, we'll go with the pippies. There we go.
Whew. We're back here just in Geelong again, just at a different pier. We just had a look at the water and look at all these starfish. They're all just everywhere. Hello, is this the crusty crab? No, this is Patrick. Alrighty, so we're just at the eastern beach, just having a walk around on the pier, and she's still fucking beautiful. Real good. We have a look, it's just so nice out. Yeah, we're just having a walk around because it's still early. Still got the whole day ahead of us. Some blokes just randomly out, all out in the middle. Just have a look at him, just having a good swim. Anyway, so after this, we're just gonna have a quick look around. Gonna get some new flipper things for Hayden. He's buying some, and then yeah, then we're gonna get in the water possibly and have a fish. Stay tuned.
Do we think these are
I reckon they're mullet.
mullet?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at the size of that one down there. It's a bit of glare on the water, so I'm sorry about that, but
Look at them all. There's heaps. They're massive too. Can't fish or spear here, but it sucks. But big feed.
big feet.
So we've just walked out,
Just walking out and
looking at this beautiful water,
spotted.
and you can't quite see it on my phone, but that looks like a phone right there.
Just out there, there's a phone. So we're gonna try and. I don't think my gumboots can fit. Ooh. Oh. Alright, they might have to come off.
Whoa.
You can see, looks like there's a phone out there.
So here's the phone that we just went in and salvaged. Looks like she's been in there for a bit. Oh, it is a SIM card.
Oh,
It's a Telstra one. Oh yeah.
Might be able to chuck it in and see if it works.
See if it works.
Yeah.
But yeah, we just found her in this little bit of water here. It's amazing what you can find when you just actually use your eyes. Anyway, so we're going to keep walking around, have a look, and find anything else. We'll keep you posted. It's not too bad out here, boys. We've decided to park up on this little cliff's edge. We're going to head out to that rock. Hopefully there's a couple of fish out there. Hopefully it's deep enough. Hayden and I are going to suit up and head out there. See you in a second. Alright, we're suited up. It's time to get out there and catch something, hopefully. So our dive was a little unsuccessful. We did see a little baby seal though, that was pretty sick. We're heading back down to Portarlington. We're gonna have a bit of a fish, maybe even have a dive there. We'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Alright, we've been fishing for a bit now. We just changed locations to the end of the rocks. Old mate was here, he was catching a few bit of, apparently he's catching some pinkies, so that'll be alright. Oh Jesus, I'm on. False alarm, I missed it. Fuck. Next one. Anyway, we're just sitting here, got the old Pinkies rig on. We're on the inside of the inlet. Hopefully she works wonders. That's it. Oh, he's on. Yeah. Still on? Yep. Oh, there he is. It is a pinky.
Nice.
Oh, get him away from the rocks.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, yeah. First fish of the day goes to fucking Cocked Up Avengers.
What a bite, too.
Almost had lunch with a little trevally. 29, 30 centimeters, not big enough. Going back in the drink. Oh, looks like someone else is getting bites. Stay tuned, boys. It's an interesting way of style of fishing. Do you still have it?
I think so.
Still got it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a little trevally. Nah. Yeah, I reckon that one's a trevally, and what I caught I don't reckon was a trevally. I reckon that one's the trevally. Oh, did you lose him? You still got him or lose him? Oh, a little snapper. It's the second snapper. Little pinky. There we go, from like, put his nose to the end, flip him around. There we go. He's 26 centimeters.
26.
And the legal size 28.
Ah.
Caught another pinky, only 27, literally 1 centimeter off. Yeah, hopefully I catch something more decent size. We just got a little 30 centimeter pinky that's just gonna be perfect. We also got a whiting, that's a perfect size. So, oh, I'm getting bites again. Here we go. What do we got?
Oh, the banjo shark.
Oh, it's a banjo. Oh, she's gonna be heavy to get up.
Yeah.
And you got light line.
Double wrap your fingers.
Oh. Little banji. I think I got him. Nah, I lost him. Fuck. Alright, giving up on that one. Got like 10% battery left. Going to switch it off for a bit and then probably cook up the fish that we got. See you in a bit. These are the two slimy suckers that we got. Just a 30 centimeter pinky and a 30 something centimeter whiting. I did get a tailor that was 30 centimeters, but I didn't know the legal limit to them, so threw them back. Anyway, we're gonna go down to the pier that's over there and fillet them up. Alrighty guys, fillets there. I'm gonna cook her up on this thing by the beach. Hayden's just cleaning the pan. And I've only got like 4% anyway, so I'm gonna smash these down. There's like 4 fillets there, 2 whiting, 2 snapper. And we're just gonna have a a little bit of a dinner by the beach, eh? Alrighty guys, as always, like and subscribe, comment, always up for a chat. Cooking away fine, got our utensils, Hayden's GoPro, and this is our view. As always, hit like and subscribe, check out Hayden's video. Have a good night fellas.